Disney reports earnings tomorrow. Options traders making some bets ahead of that. Doc, what are you seeing? What can you tell us?
Well, Scott, ahead of the earnings, there's some upside call buying in Disney. Look at that range that I just kind of drew out on the chart there. It's been mired in this range basically since April. Call it basically where it is, 130 on up to the high end, 148 or so. Now, people are putting on a bet, but not just for tomorrow, but into more or less the end of November. What were they buying? They came in buying the 135 calls. So that's not asking for an extraordinary move. Instead, probably a move of $3 or $4 gets these calls moving up fast. I bought these calls. I'll probably be in them not only through tomorrow's earnings, but since they bought them past this week, into the next 2 weeks as well. Second one, Scott, is a downside play. So I'm emphasizing this is a put play, meaning insurance and or a bet that the market rolls over for this particular sector. And that is utilities. XLU is the spider for that, trading at about 62.86. They're buying the 62 puts out in December in pretty big numbers. I mean, take a look at the size of trade that went on out there in this one. They were buying, let's see, 21,000 D62 puts. That's a ton of those puts. I'll be in this about a month, and I like for this one, if it does break down, to basically target right around that level to get down and push 62 hard to the downside. Quick update, Scott, not one that we did on air, but worth talking about, and that is yesterday, somebody had a very prescient buy on these Hewlett-Packard HPQ 1850 calls. Now, that's right where the stock was yesterday, but they came in and bought these calls for about 14 cents. Of course, they get the approach from Xerox this morning, and because of that approach, the stock just zooms through $21 to the upside, turning this into about a 19 times on your money for the people that bought those calls yesterday. Just thought it was worth pointing out that somebody seemed to have today's newspaper yesterday in this particular name.